Hi there, in this video I'll show you how IDHub connects to Microsoft Azure AD and how we can automatically provision users into AD groups simply by using IDHub roles. I'm logged into IDHub as System Administrator Samantha, who will create a new user that will get birthright access to Azure AD and the group Marketing Content Specialist, and we'll see how this user account is automatically provisioned to Azure with the help of these two roles. Let's first look at All Employees role. This role is automatically assigned to all new users who meet two rules configured in the role. One, they must be active, and two, they are not in the Chief Officer department. These users will get access to all these applications and permissions listed here. A quick side note, in IDHub we refer to application permissions or groups as entitlements. We're focusing on Azure AD, and this particular app in this role is connected to IDHub, so that automatic provisioning and deprovisioning can occur. The second role that we're going to look at is the Marketing Content Specialist role. And this role is automatically assigned to users who have the job title of Marketing Content Specialist, and with that they get the Azure AD group, Marketing Content Specialist, as well as Salesforce and another entitlement or permission group in Salesforce. So now we're going to create our new user. And to do that, I'll navigate over to the user app in the search catalog page, and this is where I can make a request to add this new user. But before I start, I want to first validate that she is not already an active user in either IDHub or Azure. So I will quickly search for her, Shelly Seashore, and we can see that she is not in IDHub currently. And we'll go over to our Microsoft Azure and we'll search for her here as well. Shelly Seashore, and we can see that she is not in Azure either. So let's go back to IDHub and complete the service request to create this new user. So when doing this, a form populates and we're going to complete the form. I'm going to quickly scroll through this because this is not required, and jump on over to the job title, making sure to enter Marketing Content Specialist because that's the role we need to meet the condition for. Marketing department, and she's an active employee that's going to start on the 15th. So I'll go ahead and submit this request. And this request has an approval workflow that assigns new user creation tasks to system administrators. Samantha is assistant admin, so I'll go ahead and claim this task and approve it. And I'll quickly open up the task so we can review the form. We can see the form that we completed, Shelly Seashore, and she is the Marketing Content Specialist and she's in the marketing department. So I'll go ahead and approve this. And once it's approved, Shelly should now be active in IDHub and then provision to the groups in Azure. So let's go ahead on over to the search catalog page again, where we're going to one more time search for Shelly. And we can see that she is now here and she has a whole slew of access in her profile. We can view her profile. It looks a little bit bare because I did skip over a lot of those fields, but the most important aspect here is that she is the Marketing Content Specialist. She does have 3 roles assigned to her: All Employees that we talked about, Marketing Content Specialist we talked about, and she also has Marketing Team role, which is another birthright role that is assigned to users who are part of the marketing department. So let's hop on over to Azure and we're going to search for her here. And we can see that she is now provisioned into Azure, and she does have group membership, and she is the marketing content specialist. So she has access to this group in AD or Azure, and we can see that she is now part of this group. So that concludes the video and of a quick overview on how IDHub connects to Azure and how automated provisioning happens. Thanks for watching.